So for this first NEET PG 2021, had you covered all the subject once or had you covered few of the subjects?
So I didn't have enough time. I had to come back from work and I had to go through these videos. I started with the subjects in which I was comfortable with. So
Makes sense, yeah. So you started with ENT and
then I went on to pathology, gynecology and forensic.
what was your strategy like?
Actually,
because were you aiming for the next NEET PG? So in the next 7 months, what was your preparation strategy?
But before 2021, I was having my own notes written by me. So it was taking a lot of time because I had a plan of watching 10 to 12 videos per day, and then I would go on to do the question banks of those corresponding topics which I have learned, and then I write the extra points which I get from these notes back into the actual handwritten note which I have made.
Fantastic. 4 resources, right? When you do a online learning, videos, notes, the question bank and the mock exams. So what was your process in going through all these 4
Because
resources?
I had no idea about how these exams actually work, how the questions are being framed, but I didn't have enough to go for a competitive exam. I started doing mock exams once I was done with all my subjects once. So I decided to give a mock test because it was after all a competitive exam. So I had to know where I stood in
Great.
comparison.
So how many months did we actually take for this first round of learning?
So first round I start by half of September up till the end of November.
Put it like almost 3 to 4 months you took for a first full round of learning, right? After this, how many rounds of revision could you do?
I had planned to at least complete 2 to 3 revisions by then if possible, but minimum of 2, that was my goal before going to the exam.